How to download and install the Quotex application here on your account. Like, firstly, you have to search download Quotex and then click on the website called Quotex blog. And here you have to simply scroll down and see the option how to download and install the Quotex app on your Android mobile phone. Now, if you want to download it for PC, I don't think that is available for the PC, but it is available for mobile version for sure. You can select or you can search it on your mobile phone's Play Store. Like, wait for the installation to complete. You can sign up Quedex app using your ID. Enter a valid email address, create a strong password, choose a currency to deposit and withdraw funds in, like INR, USD, or anything. Read and agree to the service and conditions. Click register on this account to simply register or start trading. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.